So, welcome all of you, and so a request all of you, whoever the join the session, please drop your name in a chat box. Yeah, hi Pavan. तर जे कोणी नवीन जॉईन झालं असेल, तर त्यांना रिक्वेस्ट असेल की तुम्ही तुमचं नाव चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाईप करा. आपण एक 2 मिनिटांमध्ये सेशन स्टार्ट करत आहोत. तर आजच्या सेशन मध्ये बेसिकली आपल्याकडे ज्या काही जॉब ओपनिंगच्या रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे, तर ती मी तुम्हाला शेअर करणार आहे. एक 2 मिनिटं आपण वेट करूया आणि त्यानंतर मग आपण स्टार्ट करू. ओके, आय थिंक माझी स्क्रीन सर्वांना विजिबल असेल. जर विजिबल असेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये तुम्ही ओके टाईप करा. ओके सर, थँक्यू पवन. आणि अजून जे कोणी जॉईन झाले असेल तर प्लीज तुमचं नाव आपल्या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये तुम्ही टाईप करा, म्हणजे मला समजेल. आणि जे कोणी जॉईन झालं असेल तर सर्वांना आपण जर आपल्याकडं जॉब रेफरन्स असेल तर तो आपण प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहोत. या हाय छाया. ओके, तर आता आपण स्टार्ट करूया. ओके, तर आय थिंक जवळजवळ 7 मेंबर्स जॉईन झालेले आहेत. तर सर्वांचं वेलकम आजच्या सेशनमध्ये. तर तुम्ही तुमचं नाव चॅट बॉक्समध्ये टाईप करा, जे कोणी नवीन जॉईन झाले असेल, आणि जे ऑलरेडी ज्यांनी त्यांचं नाव चॅट बॉक्समध्ये टाईप केलं असेल, तर तुम्ही ठीक आहे, कंटिन्यू करा. ठीक आहे. ओके, तर आपण आता विदाऊट बाकीचे जे कोणी जॉईन झालं असेल नवीन, ठीक आहे, तर आपण स्टार्ट करूया सेशन. ठीक आहे. या हाय श्रवण, छाया, पवन. ठीक आहे. तर सर्वांचं वेलकम आजच्या सेशनमध्ये. तर बेसिकली वी आर कंडक्टिंग जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी अपडेट. So I hope you all of you join my IT community group. Okay, so we have the WhatsApp community group, or we have also the YouTube channel. So over there, I will post the job opportunity update for the fresher as well as the experience. So in this week, there are multiple 7 to 8 job update for the fresher as well as the experienced candidate. So in this session, I will explain you what are the different type of opportunity update we have and how we can apply for that. Okay. So I will deeply guide you. Maybe this session will be take 45 minutes. So you can watch this video, watch this session till the end. And whoever the join the till the end, I will provide the job reference if anything. Okay. And I will also guide you for the how we can preparation material like the PDF, how we can take the interview, how we can basically for the prepare for that interview. And if you have the any query, you can just mention in a chat box. Okay. So hi Nilesh Pokarkar, welcome to the session. Also, if you have the any query, any doubt, you can mention in a chat box. I will definitely guide you for that. Okay. So the basically job opportunity update. So we have the multiple job opportunity update. I will guide you, but before that, I will just show you the different community link. Basically, we were the new join in this session. So I will provide the all the detail where we can join our WhatsApp community group for the regular job update. Okay. So basically we are providing the job update for the fresher experience, and we have the YouTube channel. So basically I will just small intro about the YouTube channel. So basically in the YouTube channel also I will provide the different the detail like the how we can prepare for the job interview. And post section, you can just go to the post section, and there is a multiple job opportunity with how we can apply for that, like the software developer .NET, and what are the different requirement for that. And below you can check how we can apply, and where we can share the resume. Okay. So you can just subscribe to YouTube channel so you can get the regular job update. Also, if you are the finding any technical education, so there is a multiple video I will posted like the how we can do the Microsoft certification and all these things. So you can also watch this. And if you are the preparing for the any like the job interview, so we have the different playlist, so you can accordingly you can go through that. Also, I'm also conducting the online classes, so all the detail I will upload the videos on the YouTube channel, so you can also go through that. Okay. So this is our first platform. Second platform is our the WhatsApp community group. So I will give the link in a chat box. We are the new join, so I will provide the detail in a chat box. So okay, so you can just go through that and you can join the session, join the community group. Okay. And also okay, so this is our community, and basically I will guide you for the pressure as well as the experience, how we can get the job interview, how we can prepare for the job interview, and most important thing, the job update. Okay, so I will provide the regular job update on the IT community group, so you can also join that the group. Also, if you are the interested for the online classes, then this is a form, so I will also provide the detail in a chat box. So if you are the preparing for the any kind of the classes, so you can also go through that. So this is our community update. And now I will go through the some basic introduction. So basically my name is Pravin Auti, and I have the 7 years of work experience in a database developer. So I was working on the Microsoft Azure, MS SQL Server, MSBI, like SSRS, Power BI, Advanced Excel. So you can reach me on the LinkedIn. I will provide the all the link, and also the YouTube channel. So all the link I will provide in the chat box. Also, you can reach me on this number. So detail I will provide in a video chat box. Okay. So then next one. So basically in this video, I will in this session I will guide you for the basically what is the SQL DBA and what is the SQL developer. So in a tomorrow or upcoming session, I will deeply guide you how we can uh, apply for the what is the SQL DBA and what is the SQL developer. So I will not guide more about that, but I will just give the small introduction about that. Okay. So the job opportunity. So now we are moving for the first job opportunity. So you are the join the new in a session, so I will request you please drop your name in a chat box, so I will get to know, and I will also refer for the whoever the join the session. Okay. So first job opportunity update for the MSSQL DBA. Okay. And what is the roles and responsibility for the MSSQL DBA, and how we can apply for that. So I will deeply guide you on this part. So basically the MSSQL DBA for the this is the position for the hire for the fresher candidate, and the position is the MS SQL DBA. So DBA database administrator. Okay. So this opening for the Simple Logic Private Limited, this is a company name. Our role is a MS SQL DBA. Then this is a trainee fresher opportunity. So whoever the fresher, they can apply for this position. The location is the Mumbai, Vikroli, and the requirement. So basically, there is a base requirement is that should have SQL Server knowledge. So there is a MS SQL Server. So candidate having the knowledge on the MS SQL part. So we will go through the deep about the what is the requirement. So basically, this is the requirement for the Mumbai location. Vikroli should have the MS SQL Server knowledge. Selection process, how we can if you apply for this the position, then what is selection process for that? So basically, there are 3 to 4 round. First round is the aptitude test. Second is the technical interview. Third one is the manager round, and last one is the HR round. So this is the hiring process. If you are the preparing for the this interview, then you can just go through that. This is the 4 type of the round for the selection. Then education criteria for that, this is the for the BTech, MCA, MSc in IT or computer science only. So if you have the qualification like the B in computer or the IT or the BTech or the MCA, MSc in a computer science and IT, other than like the BSc or the big like the BCA, that are not eligible for this position. So you can also note down this one. Eligibility criteria is the important whenever you apply for the position. Okay. Interview mode, all the interview mode is a face to face in a company location. So you can also note down this is a not online or the virtual round, so you can prepare accordingly. Okay. Then share your resume on the this is the email ID, and this email ID I will provide you in a description the of this video, or you can join my IT community group where I will guide you for the how you can send your resume. Okay. Then if you looking for the start your career as a MSSQL DBA, grow with the dynamic team, then you can apply for this position, and you can hire for you can just apply for this position. Also, before the apply, you can just prepare yourself for this position. So all the detail I will provide you in the description box. You can also go through that. Okay. Then next one. So second opportunity for this week as a manual tester QA. So this is the opportunity for the if you are the looking for the QA, then this is the opportunity for you. So the job title is a manual tester, or you can say the QA. Then this is the same position for the same company, Simple Logic Private Limited, and the domain is the life insurance domain. Experience required 2 to 3 years experience. The location is the Navi Mumbai, and the working mode is the work from office. Then location is the on-site, like the based on the office location or the client location. The joining immediate, like the immediate joining within the 15 day, whoever the immediate joiner, they can also apply for this position. So I will deeply guide you, because of the before the apply, we need to understand that what is the responsibility, what is the job description, and if you are the eligible for that or not, and after that you can apply for this position. This is the main requirement whenever you apply for the any position. Okay. The job title is a tester SQL insurance domain. So basically, this is the QA job. So if you have the knowledge on the, or if you have the experience on the QA domain, then you can definitely go through this position. Though basically the domain is a life insurance domain. So basically in an interview, maybe they will ask you for the domain. So you can also prepare for the life insurance domain. What is the role, and what is the difference in a, like the like there is a banking domain, or there is a pharma domain. So this is the one question basically that will be asked. And if you are the basically background, your background from the life insurance, then this is the prepared for you. Then experience required for the 2 to 3 years experience, and the location that I already told. Then joining also I will told. Now I will focus on the job description. What is the job role if you are the looking for this opportunity, or and if you are the prepared for this position? Then we are looking for the tester with the strong knowledge in a life insurance domain, new business under writing policies, services, then claim process. So basically, this is the opportunity for the claim process. You need to know that basically what is the domain, then how the this domain will work. Okay, so basically, candidate will be responsible for the manual testing, test cases, designing, execution, then defect management, then database testing. Then also you can also explore for the automation tool like the API testing, like the performance testing will be, and the added advantage for this position. So basically, if you have the knowledge on the manual testing, you are eligible. But if you have the exposure on the additional like the automation testing, then the automation tool like the anything like the API testing or the performance testing, then this is the advantage for the this position. Okay, then key responsibility for this position. So basically if you are the planning, then you can prepare for the preparation, designing, execution, test cases, then perform the manual testing for the life insurance model like the new business policy, then servicing, then claim process, then underwriting, then conduct the database testing using the SQL query. So you need to understand that how you can execute the SQL query on the database, then report, track, and retest the defect. So if any kind of the defect will be there, then you need to understand that how you can retest the defect and any kind of the bug. Okay, then maintain the test documentation and report. So this is the responsibility for the QA. Then execute the automation test script like the support, test, data preparation. So this is the basically different responsibility. And most important, collaborate with team for the review, sign off, and the process improvement. So this is the main responsibility for the QA, and this is the basically the question mostly asked during basically based on the this requirement. Okay, then next one, we will deeply understand that what is the manual tester requirement. Basically, 2 to 3 years experience in a manual testing with the life insurance domain. Then strong, basically in a policies. Then this is already I have told you. Then additionally, pay out the calculation. So you need to know that how we can pay out the calculation will be happen. Hands-on experience on the SQL database testing. Then basic knowledge of the test automation framework like the robot framework, then cumulator, then API testing, then the performance testing, then familiar with the agile methodology, then the additional they have ISTQB, then Loma, then Loma 3, then certification is a preferred but not mandatory. Okay. Also, you can how you can apply for this position the same. The all the detail I will provide you in a description box. Then third one is the software developer, and this is the .NET position, and this is the location is the Mumbai. The position is the SQL developer, sorry, software developer, .NET developer. This is the position. The location is the Mumbai, Bandar West. Then working day is a 5-day working. Experience is a you should be at least 2 to 5 years experience in a software development. Education is a B or the MCA or the must be graduate. Okay, so basically they need for the graduate candidate for this position, and basically the from the IT background. So the basically most have the technical skill like the ASP.NET Core, then C hash on the framework, then the for the SQL Server 2012, 14, 16. This is the SQL Server requirement. Then Web API, then Ajax, then the jQuery, MVC, OOPS concept, then SDLC and Angular framework. So if you have the knowledge on this part, this is the technical requirement for the .NET developer position. Then basically if you are the interested, then you can send your updated resume on the sakshi.goro at the rate epi center technology.com. So I will provide the this email id in the description box. You can just watch this session till the end of the session. I will provide the all the detail. Then opportunity number 4, WordPress developer. This is the work from home opportunity, and if you are the planning or if you are the required for the work from home opportunity, then definitely you can apply for this position. This is a WordPress developer, UI UX designer like the Figma. Then employment type is the full time, and the 8 hours for the day, and working hours will be 7:30 a.m. to the 3:30 p.m. IST. This is the Indian standard timing. Okay, then location is the remote, and this company will providing the remote opportunity like the work from home. The requirement preference in a WordPress development, strong in a UI UX, then design the skill on the Figma, then eligibility, ability to work independently with meet the deadline timing. Then how you can apply, you can send your resume profile for the relevant work sample to the this is the number. In this number you can send the WhatsApp for the all the detail, your resume as well as your profile. So basically one of the my the candidate asked me the doubt So basically, if you have the work experience, because of the if you have the work on the UI UX or the WordPress developer, then if you have the done any kind of the work previously, then definitely you can provide the link. For example, if you have the done any kind of the project on the WordPress developer, then you can upload those project on the basically GitHub, and you can provide the link. Also, if you have the any kind of the sample work, also you can provide the those detail or those link along with your resume, so that this will be helpful for the recruiter for the shortlisting your resume or your candidature. So basically, and many of the my group student ask me that this is a work from opportunity. Yeah, this is a work from opportunity, and basically this is the 8 hours. Basically we need to work on the 8 hours on the day basis, and the working hours should be 7:30 a.m. to the 3:30 p.m. So you can accordingly you can plan, and because of this is the morning timing, so if you are the preferred for that time, then definitely you can go through that. And also I have the job reference for that. You can ping me on my group, or the you can ping me on my community. So here I will provide the job reference. Okay, so this is for the WordPress developer. Then next one is the fifth, graduate engineer. So basically this is the one good opportunity for the fresher. So the call out the fresher graduate engineer looking and the amazing start their career opportunity. You have the just land on the right page. The basically this is the opportunity for the business next. This is the company, and this is the maybe startup company, but this is a good opportunity for the fresher graduate student. Okay, so we have the graduate engineers, so they can join the dynamic team. So year of the graduation in 2024 or the 2025, and for the B and B Tech only. So BSc or the BCA or the MTech, MSc, they are not eligible for this position. So you can note down this one. Location is the Mumbai. So if you selected for this position, then you need to work from the Mumbai office. Then application deadline. So the 3rd September 2025 means today is the last day for the apply for this position. And how we can apply for this position, I will guide you on that. So basically, I will provide the link in a description box. So you can just go through the chat box where I have posted the link. So you can just simply click on the link, then you will redirect to the one page. This is the Microsoft form. So basically you can check this is the company, the business next, and they are hiring for the graduate engineer 2025. So once you land there, then you can just check the detail, and basically you can check this is for the BTech B of campus hiring for the 2024-25 graduate. So basically we need to basically if you apply for this position, then you need to provide your full name, email ID, then mobile number, current location. If you're the currently from the Pune location, then you can also add that location. Then college name, if you're the pass out from the any kind of the reputed college, then you can add the college name. If else, you can add your uh, basically the university name. Okay, then pass out year, then 10th your percentage, 12 percentage or the diploma percentage, then graduation percentage, and after that you can submit this form. So basically once you submit the form, you will receive the update on your email ID, whatever the email ID that you have provided here. So basically I will request you, you can ensure that, make sure that you can add the proper email ID here. Okay, and once you shortlisted, then you will receive the mail on the email. So once and they will call you for the interview. Okay, so this is the process for the graduate engineer. Then now next one, the sixth opportunity for the SQL developer, and this is for the work from home opportunity. This is the basically the detail about this is a SQL developer, and requiring for the three to experience required for the 3 to 6 years. The location is the company location is the Bangalore, but they are providing the work from home opportunity. The mandatory is that SQL mastery in a SQL query, joins, procedure, then views, then SQL Server 2016. Basically, MS SQL Server 2016. If you are the working on this tool, then it is a prepare for that. Then you can installation, configuration, admin process, or the DBA kind of things they are required. Then database design, normalization, optimization, performance tuning, then indexing, then query optimization, and basically nice to have means not mandatory, but if you have the knowledge on the Azure SQL, NoSQL or the CI/CD, then it is a prepared for that. But it is not mandatory. The mandatory skill is that this is a mandatory skill. Okay, so this is a skill required if you are the planning for the apply for this position. Okay, then basically education. The requirement is that education is the BTech, okay, in a CS and IT. So other than they are not eligible for this position, and basically if you are the other than graduate, then you can just skip this opportunity. But if you are the graduate from the BTech in a CS and IT, then you can apply, definitely apply for this position. Then notice basically this is a position for the experience. So basically they are required for the immediate joiner within the 15 days. And how we can apply? So basically apply sm11 at the rate rgbsi.com. This is email ID. And for the reference, I have already given in a description box. Or you can join my IT community. That link I have provided in the chat box. And also, friends, if you have the any query, whoever the join the session, so I will request you, if you have the any query, you can mention in a comment box or the chat box. I will definitely go through that your query and I will try to answer your query. The seven opportunity for the fresher is a BSc IT, and this is opportunity for the reputed MNC company like the Godrej, Infotech. So this is the exciting opportunity for the fresher in a Mumbai location. This is the hiring for the BSc IT fresher. Okay, so this is the only for the BSc IT. They have specified the BSc IT uh, candidate. Okay, so basically, if you are the graduate from the 2025 batch, then this is the only for the 2025 batch, and for the various position in the Mumbai. So basically, they have not given the position, but the different position is available for that. Join join us the basically the part of the great team. And also if you are the planning for the join the Godrej Infotech, then definitely you can apply for this position. So you can also read all the detail. I have already posted this detail on the my community or the YouTube community channel. So basically the eligibility is that fresher scoring 60% and above. So the eligibility is a 60% and above in a academic, like the your graduation year, graduation certification, or the if you have done any kind of the certification. Then prepared from the NAAC A grade college. So if you have the completed your the graduation from the any NAC, NAC A grade college, then they are preparing for the those candidate. Okay, with the no academic, no the education gap, and able to join immediately. Okay, so if you are the immediate joiner, then definitely you can apply for this position. Then how can apply for this position? So you can send simply the your resume on this email ID, and detail I will provide in a description box. So basically, friends, as of now, we have the go through the different job opportunity update. And now, if you are the new to my in this session, so you can also definitely join the my IT community group. So the link I will provide in a description box. Also, you can join. You can connect me on my WhatsApp number, and WhatsApp link I will provide in a description box. Accordingly, if you are the new and if you are the looking for the any IT opportunity, and if you need any the daily job update, then definitely you can join my IT community group. Also, if you are the you can also join my YouTube community channel where I will post it the daily basis different opportunity. So this is the thing that we have the done in the today session. And if you have the any query, any question, you can just mention in a comment box. Now we have just close to our ending the session. So I will request you, whoever the new join, so you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more update on the job update, as well as if you are the new to my YouTube channel, so I will provide the daily basis job update that will be helpful for you if you are the searching for the any kind of the job opportunity. So now we will take the any question. So whoever the join, if you have the any question, you can mention in a comment box. I will definitely guide you for that. जे कोणी नवीन जॉईन झाले असेल, तर त्यांना रिक्वेस्ट असेल की तुम्ही तुमचे क्वेश्चन कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये टाइप करा. आणि नवीन जॉइनिंग कोणी असेल तर तुमचं नाव चॅट बॉक्समध्ये टाइप करा, म्हणजे मला पण समजेल की तुम्ही जॉइन झाला आहात. आणि जे कोणी जॉइन झाले तर मी त्यांचे डिटेल माझ्याकडे मी कॅप्चर केले आहेत. तर तुम्हाला तुमचे डिटेल म्हणजे जे काही आपल्याकडे अपॉर्च्युनिटी मी आता शेअर केल्यात, तर त्याची डिटेल मी तुमच्यापर्यंत शेअर करेल. ठीक आहे. ओके. तर तुमचे डिटेल मी इथे घेतोय. तर जे कोणी नवीन जॉइन केलं असेल, तर त्यांना रिक्वेस्ट असेल, हाय दीपाली. ओके. अजूनही कोणाला काही डाउट्स असेल, की कशाप्रकारे आपल्याला ॲप्लाय करायचंय किंवा एलिजिबिलिटी काय असणार आहे, तर त्याच्या रिलेटेड मी तुम्हाला गाईड करेल. ठीक आहे. तर आपले जर कोणाचे काही क्वेशन नसेल, तर आपण या सेशन एंड करूया. आणि त्याची डिटेल मी तुमचे सर्वांचे जे कोणी लाईव्ह सेशन जॉइन केलं आहे, तर ते सर्वांची डिटेल मी माझ्याकडे घेतलेले आहेत. तर पवन अंधाले, आय थिंक तुम्ही नवीन आहात, तर तुम्ही ग्रुपमध्ये जॉइन व्हा. मी तुम्हाला डिटेल तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाईड करेल. तर ह्या लिंक ज्या काही आहेत, तर ह्या लिंक सेशन एंड झाल्याच्या नंतर त्या डिसेपिअर होतील. तर त्यामुळे तुम्ही ह्या सर्व लिंक तुमच्याकडे कॉपी करून ठेवा. आणि नंतर तुम्ही कम्युनिटीमध्ये तुम्ही जॉइन व्हा किंवा तुम्ही मला पर्सनली पिंग करा. तर मी तुम्हाला ज्या काही आपल्याकडे 7 अपॉर्च्युनिटी आहेत, तर त्याच्या रिलेटेड जॉब रेफरन्स किंवा आपल्याकडे जे काही डिटेल असेल, तर मी तुमच्यापर्यंत शेअर करेल. आणि तुम्ही रेग्युलरली आपलं YouTube चॅनल आहे, तर YouTube चॅनलवरती आपल्या डिफरंट अपॉर्च्युनिटी आपण पोस्ट करत असतो. तर तुम्ही तिथेही तुम्ही जॉइन करा. तर आपल्या कम्युनिटी पोस्टमध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही कम्युनिटीमध्ये गेल्यानंतर पोस्ट सेक्शनमध्ये जाशाल, तर त्यावेळेला डिफरंट अपॉर्च्युनिटी आपण इथे प्रोव्हाईड करत असतो. आणि जर कुठल्याही याची जर डिटेल तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाईड केलेली नसेल, तर तुम्ही YouTube चॅनल किंवा आपल्या कम्युनिटीमध्ये तुम्ही जॉइन व्हा. तिथे मी तुम्हाला बाकीचे डिटेल तुम्हाला शेअर करत जाईल. तर ठीक आहे. ओके. कोणाचे काही क्वेशन नसेल तर आपण हे सेशन या ठिकाणी एंड करूया. तर ओके. तर थँक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर द जॉइनिंग दिस सेशन. So definitely I will provide you the whatever the job reference with me. And if you are the searching any kind of the job opportunity, I will request you can join my YouTube community. Also, if you are the fresher, or if you are the any friends looking for the job opportunity, you can share the detail with your friends. Okay. So now we are closing, we are ending our session. So thank you and wish you happy learning.